Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions. Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion.
I was hoping it's Chief. Oh, don't worry me. Oh, don't worry. Don't be silent. I have gone to a place where I can have some peace and quiet. I hope you women have not done permanent damage to my heart. Maybe I'll be back. Maybe not. It all depends. See you. No! It cannot be! It can just not be! Oh, it can't! Why? Senior! Mommy! Please, oh! Come and see catastrophe!
Yeah. Oh, my teacher, what has come over you this evening?
Why you want to give me hypertensive?
It is Chief.
TA gives you hypertensive.
Oh, no.
Look here, Madam Alarmist. Whatever has happened between you and Chief, it's your business. I'm going inside.
Senior, you want to enter inside when our husband is outside there?
Outside?
Look at you.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Oh, no.
Where is Chief outside?
Don't worry,
Is it? Chief is not, was not stood out, okay?
Mommy. Oh, don't worry, me is outside.
Don't we?
In the middle of nowhere, Senior, see.
Nyam.
Senior.
Nyam.
Oh, don't worry me. With my twins, why?
Tokumbi, peace and unity. I've gone to a place where I can have some peace. Chineke, I hope you men have not done permanent damage to my heart. Yay!
You cannot just do this to me.
Hey!
Kílódé.
Mbao. Chineke!
Kílódé. What is matter What's matter in paper?
You have seen it now?
What's matter in paper?
Mama Moji! Chief, don't run, come out for house. Oh, yes, sir.
See around. Where to? Why for? Why? Why?
When you will be cooking rubbish, why won't he run?
You always accusation him. You will not kneel down to greet him.
No. And with your Himalaya English. Why would you take up with your Himalaya English?
It's true. Ara wo ya nti e. Ara o ya.
Mommy, any suru. Because disrespect is reciprocal.
You see? Now we know why he ran. You see? What of you, Mama Moji?
Your witches are at it again. One baby boy. Honey. And I thought he was making breakfast for me. Honey pie.
What's your are you jealous?
You are the worst. You are the worst in this house. It is your nonsense by the mother that sent the man back. Even the children, they have convulsion because of the nonsense. Mama Moji, don't talk to me.
Where they bring you from? Where are you bring from?
You are jealous of my pregnancy. You are jealous because right now I will be the winner when I have 12 children.
Hey, I think he left without giving me my good morning kiss. How can? Hey. He did. I'll give him a My dear sister Kuli, you won't be seeing me for some time. Try! I need my peace of mind, and with the fight that is always going on here, I cannot get it. So I've gone to a quiet place where I can have some peace and quiet. See you. See me. Honey, but your peace and quiet is... Baby boy, your peace and quiet is here now. You can't just live like that. Try, Carol. The witches downstairs have caused it. They've driven him away with these sharp tentacles. I feel like going downstairs and giving them a piece of my mind. Oh, Carol. No. Carol, focus. They're not the issue. How will I get my baby girl back? Where's my phone? Hey, honey!
Where is Chief? Where? Your father, Chief. Where is he? Ewu concentration. Because where is Chief?
Please. Don't shout at him now.
Exactly, senior. You see, we need to get him to get what we want.
Yes.
Okay. Then you're on your Biko. Oh yeah, kneel down, go and beg him. You people should go and beg him now.
No, come. Listen to us.
Oh, you are paying the people at the site today.
Yeah.
What do you concern company secret because I said where is the site where you are working so that I can go and see my husband?
Yeah.
See what you are caused now. See what you are caused now. Please gbé ẹnu ẹ lọ́wọ́ please. Gbèrò ọkọ mi. Where TA is go?
Will you be asking you if he was here?
Ireti, don't join peace o.
But
don't join peace. Kí ló ṣe yín gan? Gbèrò, take us to Chief now.
He's lying. You are lying, my friend.
Please. Why now?
Why not? Yeah. That one is people's business.
Heredity, my dear.
Mama Moji, be serious for once. Somebody who cannot speak out. How do you expect him to talk? Talk it for ear.
Please. Go outside. Go outside and stop disturb us. Go outside.
Come and carry me to go outside now. If you don't produce your father, my husband, it is here that I will sleep.
I need to.
Hey!
What's it up?
Na Caro now.
Caro.
That means...
Caro Wabi.
Hey, now, that means Carol is affected.
Abegi, let's forget about that one and find solution. Ejo.
No.
What is this? What is it even?
Verse if you want verse.
Kini nǹkan náà? Kini?
Let's not go ask him question.
Listen, Pero, I'm on leave. Use the enclosed check to pay laborers' wages. Take care of the office well in my absence.
Hey! Oka Abasa. Hey! George Abasa.
Where you still going now?
You don't tell you nonsense. Make it be chief for now. They find. I don't feel carry person. No. You're on your own.
I need your children, my children.
Mama Moji, you no go enter.
Enter the gate. When we has not found LTA, Utiu, we keep night vigilance here.
What will staying outside here achieve? I think we should go in and plan the next strategy, Pico.
Senior, what strategy are we planning? Look, we have phoned all Chief's friends. We have been to his office. We have been to Mamawa's place, even Uncle Raji's barracks. Where else is there to go? I don't know why Oluworimi is doing this to us anyway. Just don't know.
Come. I hope it's not woman each.
Antonio, it's possible it's woman-ish.
No. That will never happen again. It will never happen again.
Ireti, if it happen, what will you do? What will you do? If you want to remain chief's wife, you have no other choice than to accept all the each and women.
It will never happen. I won't take it anymore. Yes, I won't take it anymore.
You have
enough is enough.
You have another alternative, Ireti. Just jump into the lagoon and try.
Senior, mind yourself. Just mind yourself. I don't like what you are saying at all.
Ireti.
What is that for?
Ireti, you want to remind you? I will mind you.
You can't.
Ireti.
You can't. It is you that will jump into the lagoon.
Come on, Ireti, mind yourself. Mind yourself. If it's not because of this thing that you are carrying, I will just mind yourself. Ireti, mind.
Enough! Kilo say you gone.
I no blame you.
What the matter with you both? It is not why Chief is lost like mandate.
Mama Moji, no just talk. Don't talk there, Inanu. Don't just talk, you hear? After all, in the note Chief left behind, your name was number 1 on the list.
Emiola kun behind. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́. Emiko, I has never fighted anybody in my life.
See them, See them, It is when she entered that our husband disappeared.
No, minor.
Just see her.
Useless
you.
woman.
What can you
Useless
do?
woman.
Hey.
If you don't promise our husband today, your eye go yahoo.
Ìyàwó ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ oṣù méjì, ó pé kí ó kọ́sẹ̀ oṣù méjì dé.
Nonsense.
Sekebu.
Sure.
Mama Moji, come off for road now, make a
PC. We are do night vigilance here. We agreement ke.
That is true.
Abi.
Mama Moji, I agree with you. Abeg come out, I don tire. I won't go inside. Abeg.
Is this how you showing love for T?
Mommy, don't mind her. Her love for him is not genuine.
Hey, look at you. Look at the two of you. Let me tell you, join the love of two of you. Add Anya Pusu, Karo's own to it. Spice it with Salome and Jumai. Then garnish it with all the external affairs. It cannot even amount to a fraction of my love for you.
It's a big lie.
Look at them. Barbarians talking in tongues. So the witches have finally ganged up on each other.
Who is a witch? Who is a witch, eh? Hey, you this beast of no gender.
Ìyá ẹ̀ làjẹ́ o.
Boss.
Ìyá ẹ̀ làjẹ́.
I don't blame you, Anya Pusu. Why you run go up? Before come down. Calm down and say it. Chicken. Calm down. Let me just wind that your mouth.
Terrorists. Terrorists. Come and see them all. The three witches, they terrorized my sister Kuli out of this house. There was peace in my Eden before you came here. There was peace.
Hey!
Witches.
Hey! Nena Turuboko. Mama Moji. Ireti. Look who is talking. Hey! In the history of Fuji family, never for one day, 1 hour, even a minute, did Chief leave his house.
Yes, so. Until you came with your bad luck.
What does you expectancy of ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ oṣù méjì?
Why am I even wasting my precious time talking to your type? You are uncultured. You lack finesse. And to top it all, common English you cannot speak. Barbarian.
Come here.
Karo.
Who is uncultured?
Oh.
Who does not have finesse? And can't speak English? Let me tell you, you this husband snatcher.
Oh, Nesopo.
You are not up to the soul of my slippers.
Ije, how is your pulada?
Ishira lats.
Oh, no, Fogiri. Look at you. That says you cannot talk to anybody because we lack a culture. Etc. But you can share our husband with us. So, what do we call that one? Stupidity or madness?
Real madness. Real madness.
Cut you.
Barbarians. I am not sharing for your information. He's mine.
Where are you going? Coming down and get the reply of your ìsọkúsọ. Bọ́lẹ̀.
Mama Moji. Softly, because na the big bomb wey you dey take destroy grammar. Na im make Karo dey abuse us so. Abeg.
I'm trying,
I'm trying. I go to adult educating.
Sure. I know say one day if you no kill grandma go kill you.
Please. Enough of your criticality.
I'm an idiot.
I enter you, Jare. Wawa. Kí ló fẹ́ wọlé yín?
Anyway, Mama Moji, how wetin happen to the night vigil now?
It's equal to council, Jare.
Ewuchi. Ewo. Ireti, I don't like this. So why are you laughing, covering your mouth?
Senior.
Laugh if you.
I don't like it. it. Who told you I was laughing?
It is made of wood and shine it.
Be careful.
Ara yín ò yá. Ara yín méjèèjì ò yá ní oníranù méjì.
Tanto you, Mama Moji. Plus extra self. Ireti. Amentris.
Oh, I am entered with you.
Mama Moji Buyewe.
Oh, good job, seriously.
I do your children my children.
If only we can get his diary. Eh? The addresses and the phone numbers will have given us an idea.
Chief's diary. The one he carries all the time. If we see Chief's diary, definitely we don't see Chief finish.
It's true. I don't know. Maybe he hire another flat for woman outside, as he do for Caro.
Mama Moji. He does that all the time now. But he never runs away from his house.
Abio. He go and come. Go and come.
My heart
Do what?
was to give way.
I'll give Wekwelenu up. Look, Mama Moji, that Benro, I suspect that boy knows something somehow. Because Chief will want to know what is happening in the office.
Benro is not to know anything. If he know something, he told Rabiu, and Rabiu has told me.
Oh, Mommy, remember that the children are in Ijebu on holidays.
How? Ewu ata na igunisio. Oh! So, Chief carefully moved his children before vanishing. Hi! Nkanya agula.
Are you sure he's not ready to divorce you people?
Chai!
Àwọn wo?
We people. What do you mean we people?
I don't know. He has taken custody of your children. You know me, I'm still carrying my twins.
Isi bawapalu. Ireti si adroge menan. Nonsense. Let me tell you. The letter stated all of us. So if there is any divorce, it is all of us. Benny. And if that happens, I will not pay house rent in my father's house.
Well, èmi náà mi ò ní sùn. I no sleep outside.
My twins will not sleep outside too. I'm in this house.
Mgbe chifo, mbogeru, I go clear bunga fish.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number
consequences.